Hi, this is Craig from Sulcata Grove. I'm here with Valerie today, and we are going to be taste testing this Irwin Mango. Irwin is mostly famous for its color. Irwin is one of the reddest of the mangoes. I believe it's the one that they grow in Japan. Very specialty, in a very special way to get the most red on them because it's kind of considered a status symbol or a lucky symbol, and so they give them red fruit as gifts for weddings and things. This Irwin smells exactly like a plum, which is good. Very nice. I'm pretty sure this one's right. I'm going to give it a try. It's not one I grew myself, and so I don't know exactly how or when it was picked.
Did you hit the seed?
Yeah, I got a little bit of seed there.
Big seed.
Yeah, seed's a little fatter than some.
Still smell like a plum inside?
No?
That does smell like a plum.
Think so? Plum?
Maybe I'm still.
Not so much on the inside.
I think I was maybe smelling the outside.
I don't know. It has a smell, and it doesn't
I
really
smell like
smell like
strong.
mango. It's a good smell, but I can't really say what it smells like. It's not very strong smelling.
Has a bit of plum taste to it, so like just like a little bit. It is a firmer mango too.
Well, this one wasn't
Overripe.
overripe. It might have even been a little underripe, and I think it's in the zone of acceptable.
It has a good flavor. Favorite one.
All right, let's give this a try. It's a little watery.
A little bit, but the flavor will kind of help take that away. Yeah. So I like the wateriness with this one.
A little bit of maybe a weak, watered down pineapple flavorish to it.
Well, this is a pretty good mango.
It really doesn't have this one doesn't really have much flavor at all. It's a watered down pineapple juice kind of flavor. It's not even very sweet.
Really?
Mm-mm. It's not bad. It's just kind of.
If you made mango juice in Ecuador, this is what it would taste like, I feel.
If you made mango juice and then watered it down, which is
they-
how they do in Ecuador. Yeah. I guess to me the strongest flavor in that is pineapple, but it's weak. It's not a strong flavor. Like I said, most of the time Irwin is grown more for its appearance than its flavor. But I mean, it is still supposed to have a pretty good flavor. This one maybe, well, anytime you get a watered down flavor, it probably means that it was getting too much rain at a certain time, and so the fruit ends up getting watery. It's not a good indicator of the cultivar in general anytime it's watery, so we got to cut it a little bit of slack for that. And there's nothing objectionable in there. There's very little fiber. There's no resinous flavor to it. It's a little more tart than sweet. If you don't like a really sweet mango, then this may be a good choice. But this one is it's kind of watery. Overall, if I had to base it on this one piece of fruit, Irwin would probably get about a 4 or 5 for me. Not terrible, but certainly not something I'd want to put in the ground. Any other opinions on that?
I like that, so.
Valerie liked it. Valerie does not like things that are super sweet. You want the seed? Valerie does not have much of a sweet tooth, so she tends to like things that have a little less sweetness to them.
I grew up eating lemon chips.
Maybe a little hint of citrus. Citrus pineapple watered down juice. But not bad. So I'd give it a 4 to 5, something like that. Anybody else have an opinion? What did you give it? You liked it?
Maybe about 8.
Okay.
This is a good one.
6.5 or 7. Kind of like a basic mango. Like
Yeah.
no one would find anything objectionable.
Yeah,
about
nothing.
that.
There's nothing. Nothing unpleasant about it, other than it's. If you had never eaten any other mango, and this is the only mango you ever tried, you'd like it. It's good,
It's beautiful.
Mhm.
but
It smells like plums.
to compare it to a different mango, it doesn't measure up very well. So, anyway, that's the Irwin. If you've tried it and have different opinions, let us know. We'd love to hear it. Don't forget to subscribe and like, I'm told to say. I don't really even know what it means. But here you go. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Pick the mango from the tree, and the mango down to me. Put the mango in